Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the hood on an Aston Martin Vantage. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the door sill or dashboard. Give it a firm pull towards you. You should hear a click as the primary latch disengages. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety latch. Always make sure your Vantage is parked securely on a flat surface before attempting to open the hood. Now, move to the front of your Aston Martin Vantage. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch, which prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Reach into the gap just above the main grille, usually around the center. Feel for a small lever or tab. It might be slightly recessed. This mechanism is designed for an extra layer of security, ensuring the hood remains securely closed during driving. Once you've found the secondary latch, you'll need to operate it while simultaneously lifting the hood. Depending on your Vantage model, you might push the lever upwards or slide it to the side. As you manipulate the latch, gently lift the hood with your other hand. You'll feel it release completely, allowing you to raise it fully. This two-step process ensures safe and controlled access to your engine bay. With the hood now open, you'll need to secure it in place. Look for the hood prop rod, usually a slender metal rod attached to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully lift the hood a bit higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot within the engine bay. Make sure it's firmly seated. This ensures the hood remains safely open, providing you with ample space to perform any necessary checks or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.